to reverse. Okay, so reverse. And then that. Now forward. And look what happens when you do that. Whoa! And this is at low speed. Here we go, watch this. Oh, the whole thing goes up in the air. Woo! Reverse again. Okay. First speed again. Right. That's the first speed. Third, boom, I'm always coming out of it. And I can't bring it back because I haven't got a vehicle for the couple of weeks. So look, I'll go back and you can see me going forward. I'll come to the side so you see what happens. Okay, this is slow speed. And I'll pick it up, whole thing.